हरिः कर्ता।
Now let's look into the few more additional objects of axis. So that's additional axis objects. So plotting data of different magnitude in one chart may require an additional y-axis. Such an axis can be created by using twin x. We call it as a twin x. So to add a new axis with an invisible x-axis and a y-axis positioned at the right analogously for twin y, actually we will do one example for the same so that it would be clear. So what I'll do is I'll take it as additional axis object, additional axis objects. Yeah, so we can add a secondary axis like we had a twin axis. We can add a secondary or axis having a different scale than the main axis to represent the data in different scales or units. So what we'll do is we'll take an example here, fig. Yeah, in addition to fig, I'm going to take a tuple of ax1 and ax2. Clear? And let me go with a 1 comma 2 grid, and fig size will go with the bigger one, 7 and 2.7. That's fine. Rest remains same, and this is what is my figure. This is what my layout. It consists of two subplots, left one and right one. This is 0 index and this is 1 index. Clear? Now let's do more. So let me add a plot now. So L1 ax1 dot to ax1 dot plot. Of course we have a data of t comma s. In previous one we have used, so name, oh sorry, you got it. We used this t comma s data. I'll show you. Yeah, here these are the two, t comma s. Just see. Done. Okay, getting back. Now let me move ahead. So now let's make a twin axis. For that I'll take ax2 and ax1 dot twin x off and execute, and here is the twin axis on right side. You got it? Can you see that? Is it visible? I'm doing it. I did it here. So this is called twin axis on right side. It's almost similar to the left. Okay, done. Next, so now let's take L2. L2 is equals to x2 dot, we are taking the second plot, so the second subplot, and we are creating a plot in that. So I'll take the t, the array t to plot on x-axis, and for y I'm taking a range of length of t. So that's what I'm doing for that, range of length of t, and I'll go with the C1. That's the color. And let's execute. And here is that line. You got that? You got the line, because x-axis is t values. For the y-axis we have taken the range of length of this t. So that's why we have a linear equation which is connecting from here to here. And the color that we have gone for is C1. Let me go for the K. Yeah, you got the black one. Okay, let's go with the C1, or if you want to go with C0. Okay, it becomes same color. Let me go with the C1. It looks little good. Yeah, done. So now ax2 dot legend, and I'm gonna add a sequence first, 11 comma 12. Then second one, since left, other one is right, one is right. Okay, just a minute. I'll write sinusoidal would be difficult. Let's keep a sine wave is left, and straight line is right. Then what we will have is okay, you got the issue here. A proxy artist may be used instead. Okay, sine wave left. Okay, that's fine. So now 11 12 a sequence, sine left and straight, and it's closed. That's okay, we'll look into that later. So next we have another plot, that's ax3, because we have taken ax1 and ax3. Okay, so let's take the x3. This is for the subplot. For the second plot, I will take the same plot, t comma s, uh, t comma s. You got the plot now? You see that? Now let's do some modifications to this. So ax3, let's set x label as angle this in radians, angle in radian. And execute. Here is that angle in radians. Next, x4 is equals to x3 dot. Now we will be going for the secondary axis, as we have discussed earlier. Secondary axis, where I want to have it on top. So it's a secondary axis, it's not twin. When you say twinning, it will be created exactly opposite to that. But when you say secondary axis, it would be, we have to give the position where you want to create. I'll say top, and after that I'll use functions is equals to np functions. I have to give a tuple, so np dot rad to dig. I'm just converting from rad to dig, and then np dot dig to rad. So radians to degree and degree to radians, both the conversions I'm doing, and one will keep, I will keep it on top. Okay, and execute. And here is that. You can see that you got the secondary axis on top. That's in degrees. 0, 200, 200, 300 degrees. Clear? Now let's add a label to that also. x4 set x label, and this time I'm gonna say angle. This is in degree. Just I'll go for the dot. Okay, sorry, degree. And here is that. Got it? So this is how we create left, and we create a twin axis and then secondary axis. But what I'm what I want to do is one more thing, x legend. Okay, x2 dot legend 11 comma 12, and that's okay. Let's get back to the work.